Hello guys, welcome to episode 1 of my Reno series. But it's not really a Reno, we're just like upgrading our house, kind of. Like making things nice, turning it into a home. Because we moved in December 2019? No, we bought the home December 2019. And we moved in 2020, January 2020. But yeah, so first step is our bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. This is actually our basement bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms in this house. Say hello to the shower. Yeah, tiles, everything. Got a toilet. We put a bidet in. Yesterday, Dion did that. And then this is the rest of it. So it's a decent size, like spare bathroom. And it's intended for guests. So we wanted it to be like inviting and nice and like moody and dark. So we got these 2 paint colors. We've got Beta Fish, it's Bear, and Dynasty. No, that's a lie. Empress Teal by PPG or PGB, something like that. So I'm gonna test these out. So they look about the same. This is Beta Fish and this is Empress Teal. This one is brighter. Like it's a bit more vibrant and a little richer than this one. This one's a little muted. And let's do like a little testy test. I should probably like put something on this wall to like, or the tile. Okay, so here's the first coat. The Beta Fish color, the Bear Beta Fish, is a lot more dull than the Empress Teal here. And you can't really see it, but this is so much more vibrant and a lot, like, just, there's oomph to it. It's like, you know when you think of, like, arsenic green? It's kind of like that. All right, and here it is with the second coat. We're totally going with this one. God, I wish you guys could like see the actual color because it's so much more vibrant in person. Yeah, this one's really nice and we'll probably use it for something else. Who knows? I don't know. We just have like little sample size here. But yeah, Empress Teal it is. There we go. We can kind of see it better-ish, kind of. No. I guess not. Okay, bye.